Good morning, welcome back to Oxford Mills. Little progress update for you. We've finished the outside and winter has come. So septic's installed, wells installed, all of our exterior siding's now complete. Roof was done months ago, so that's all done as well. Windows are installed. We've even done our eaves troughing as well. We got that in just before the weather got really bad. Talked enough about it the outside on the previous videos. Let's go inside and I'm gonna show you the progress of what we're doing. Come on. Now, I'm not gonna kick this door in like I did before, a little too expensive, but we're in here. The heat's on, comfortable, it's warm. Let me take you around, show you a bit. Obviously, our flooring's been installed. The client decided they want to do LVT all the way through. Looking pretty good, 99% complete. We're here in the laundry room, for example. Gotta put that floor drain in, just been meaning to get around to it, so we gotta grind the floor down a little bit there, soften it up. Carrying it through the whole house was challenging in some ways because it's always difficult to get it perfectly in line. You can't see it here, but what we did is we focused on getting it perfectly down this hallway. Straight down there, you can see, you'll be able to see basically the whole house in one shot. So this is our first course right down here, down the middle, and then we broke off and went to both sides. So it's always tough putting LVT in reverse. It obviously creates a better product. You don't have a situation where you have it kind of off-centered because it's something you're gonna pick up on, especially in long straight hallways. One of the main bedrooms here, got a couple pieces of baseboard still to put in, but other than that, these rooms are pretty much complete. We had a little bit of an issue with how the drywall is set. With these pocket doors, it's always difficult to make sure that they slide really, really nicely, but big fan of cavity sliders. They work really, really well. So you can see we've got our casing, our base already in. We're getting ready to start on tiling today. The boys are in one of the other bathrooms. So we've got all our sand beds prepped up, ready to go. We're gonna be doing that. Curdy, Schluter, all that stuff's happening starting tomorrow. So ready to go there. As I mentioned, we're doing curbless showers. When we do so, we always prefer to do linear drains, just because especially given the size of the shower, it's difficult to get everything into one small shower. So these are the Schluter drains that we use. They're gonna go in later today. Let me take you around, show you some of the trim details we've been working on as well. We're in one of the back bedrooms here. It's now complete. You can see the painters are getting prepped in here. They're getting ready to spray all the trim. We prefer to spray or trim rather than brush or roll. It just creates a nicer finished product. When you're doing a whole house like this, is it worth it? Yeah, probably. Smaller jobs is a little more difficult, but again, the level of quality of finish is just that much better, especially on the first pass. Very straightforward trim process here. We've got our 5.5-inch base, 3.25-inch case. All our doors that come pre-hung for us, ready to go, from Classic Wood Molding, who we use in town. Even when we're doing unusual jam sizes, it's not really a problem for them. We just let them know, and bing, bang, boom, ready to go. So the painters are rocking through here. There's a linear drain that I showed you in the other room. This is it, all set up, ready to go there. So we are good. We're gonna be doing our final coat of paint coming up here pretty soon, and we're getting on tiling. So that's really important to make sure we get this complete because all that's really left after that is kitchen cabinetry and vanities. So very small things left. So we're expecting to wrap this up in fairly short order. I wish there was more to show you on this one, but why don't we do a little montage of the boys doing some work, and we'll cut back to when we're doing some cabinetry here. All right, so we're a couple days later now. Progress has been good. We've gotten a lot of our waterproofing done, but as you can see in here, we're all set up for tile, ready to go. We've laid a few tiles here. There's still a bunch to set up. We're not gonna even walk on this. Boys are gonna continue the next few days, get this tile all wrapped up. Cabinetry starts the week after next. We're gonna start wrapping this place up. So for now, I'm gonna leave you with that, and we'll bring you back when this is all said and done so you can see the final product. See you next time.